Hello, welcome to Chandani Solutions. So today, let's spot a possible fake job postings. So first, for me, for example, you are applying sign up. You sign up in a job posting website, and then a certain company let you sign up to their link. So that company is a an agency. So sometimes they will just gather your information so that they have some list of applicants on their agency. So sometimes they just post job openings in another job posting companies, and then they will try to get your information and then put it to their database. So for example, this one, what I'm not sure why they need a perfect square at 300 by 300 px, 'di ba? So they can just, if they want the applicant, they will they will just get your check your the PDF file, right? So no need to get the image by 3 by 3, not unless they're saving it to their own database, to have a list of um job seekers, you know. So that's my own opinion. That's it. Thank you so much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.